Alright, in this video I will just talk about how it went for me for trading and just strictly about trading. So for the month of April, well, first off, I'm gonna talk about the last week of April. I did not trade. We did have some setups that we were looking to enter. They were pretty much ready, but all the moves happened for all the pairs that we were interested in on the last 2 days or the last day of market open, so there was no point of us entering during the last 2 days. It's just part of my plan, even though sometimes they do play out in those last days of market open. Sometimes they don't, sometimes they just reverse, hit our stop loss, or sometimes we just have to hold over the weekend, but it's just something that I don't like to do. So yeah, the first 2 weeks of April, I did not place a trade. The third and fourth week, I placed 2 trades. So 1 trade in the third week, and then 1 trade in the fourth week. And then the last week that we are currently in, I did not place no trades. So market did close today. So after this video, I'm gonna do what I have to do, and that's analyzing the charts. And yeah, but losing month, we are still in the challenge. Is it going bad? Yes, it is. I think our current balance is like 96,000 something. And let me show you guys real quick, just so you guys can see that I am not lying. But yeah, we are in a losing streak of 2 trades, after getting our first win of the year and breaking a 7 losing streak. But here is my challenge that I'm still in. I'm still trying to pass the 100K, but this is my current balance right now. Let me just okay, this is my balance right here. Let me show it. 96,810. The last trade we did take, it was a losing trade, and I think it was due to spreads or something that it was so much that I lost. It was like if I were to risk like $700, since I did risk like $500 on that last trade, but due to spreads or something, I don't know. We're always on check with that. It's something we have to stay in check. The spreads, whether if the spread is too high, we don't enter. We have to wait for the spread to be a specific, it has to be lower than a specific number. So that's something we have to look out for. I don't know if it was spread or I don't know, something. It had to be about spread or something. But yeah, that's how it went for the month of April. I will post as my thumbnail a picture of the calendar of April, just so you guys can see. Yeah, something I've been on this week, and it's something I've always knew, and that's controlling what I can control only. But I've been more locked in on that mindset now, and it's probably going to be for everything. So yeah, I must control what I can control, and that's the way I enter the trades, the way I place my stop loss, whether I stay disciplined, whether I stay patient, doing my to-do list, doing what I have to do. And I can't control the outcome of every trade or any trade, or what others say, what others think, or how everything plays out. But I can control myself. I can control what I do, the way I talk, and the way I think. So that's something I'm gonna be more focused on. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole vid. I will keep you guys updated on this challenge, and let's see what happens in the first week of May. And yeah, I'll see you guys then.